Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a quick tip with you guys. It's a natural remedy which literally takes a minute to do. So I'm gonna share a natural remedy with you guys on how you can get rid of acne or pimples really fast. But before I get into the whole video, I just want to let you guys know that I am doing a giveaway. And I'm going to give you guys the details at the end of the video, but this video is in collaboration with a dear friend of mine. Her name is MakeMeUp89. I will link her YouTube channel below, so she will also do a giveaway on her channel, and she's going to share some beauty tips with you guys as well. So do head off to her channel as well after you watch this for her giveaway, and then I'll give you guys the details of my giveaway at the end of this video. So as you guys, a lot of you guys probably know right now that I'm expecting. So I am 38 weeks pregnant right now. And so my skin has changed so much in pregnancy. Obviously because of all the hormones, and then, you know, I'm eating foods which I never ate before. Well, I don't get cravings or anything, but I am eating different foods to what I was eating before I've started taking in milk. And so my skin has changed as well with the pregnancy. And of course, you know, hormones do play a big part in this, but overall my skin has changed, and it's really different to what it was and what you guys have seen in the past. So one problem which I have had in my pregnancy is acne and pimples. And I was so confused as to why I was breaking out, because I thought I was gonna have this glowing skin in my pregnancy. But so I'll show you guys a close-up if I can. But I get these tiny pimples which just pop up overnight. I had a few on my chin, and then on the side of my face, I'm not sure if you'll see it now, I had about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About 5 pimples which kind of just appeared out of nowhere. I just woke up one day and I had like 5 or 6 pimples on the side of my face. So they're quite hormonal, I think. And what has helped me is garlic. So all you need is this one ingredient, and it's no surprise because garlic is antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, and it can really cure a lot of things. I've told you guys to rub garlic on your nails in the past, in my past videos, and garlic is also really great to help you sleep. You can take a bit of crushed garlic and put a bit of honey in it and take it every day for energy, and it helps with your sleep cycle as well. But what I would do is, or what I've been doing is, if I get any tiny little spot like this, I'll just get a tiny little piece of garlic and rub it on that piece of pimple, rub it on that little pimple. Or if you guys have a thicker pimple, or it's a bit deeper than these pimples like I had over here on the side of my cheek, I do make this little concoction. So all this is garlic, lemon juice, and honey. And as you guys know, honey is antibacterial as well, and lemon juice really helps fight acne. Lemon juice will help dry out the pimple as well. So I like to mix together these ingredients. I just use a garlic mincer to get the garlic really fine, and then I would just apply it to the area that's affected with a tiny Q-tip, and then just get a band-aid and just band-aid the top, or you can get those little round band-aids and stick it on the top and leave it overnight. Obviously do test it on your skin. Some people don't react well to garlic, but it's really like helpful. It works straight away because it's antibacterial and it kills the bacteria straight away. So this is something that has helped with my pimples so much. This pimple came last night, but these ones are dried out now, and I got them maybe 2-3 days ago. So make sure you do try this out. Garlic is also high in sulfur, which you know, helps fight the acne. So I think that's why it works so well. So that was my really quick tip with you guys, for you guys. I'm gonna tell you guys about the giveaway. So I wanted to do this on my birthday, but then I had all these other giveaways going on. So I'm gonna be giving away one of you guys this huge bag of makeup and skincare products. So I've got a lot of skincare products from Secret Key, and then I've also got a lot of makeup products. So I've got like blush, eyeshadow palettes, I've got nail polish sets, and then I've got some of my favorite products which I can't live without. So I've got one of my favorite eyeliners. I've got my, you guys know I love 3CE lipsticks, so I've popped in a few 3CE lipsticks in here. I popped in some eyeshadow palettes, contour palette. I've also got this really awesome customizable palette which I really like, but I think one of you guys will really love it. I want to do giveaways for guys, but I don't know what to give away. But this is one of the palettes that's going to be inside. This is the Pony Effect lip palette, and what else? I've got a whole like skincare set in here as well, which you guys can use. I've got a I use this for like when I do facials, like a hairband, and then I've got perfume, and then I've got blush. So I've literally put together a bag of all my favorite products which I love to use all the time, and I'm gonna give away this to one of you guys. So all you have to do to enter the giveaway is follow me, subscribe to my YouTube, obviously, hit that little bell notification button, go over to my Instagram and follow my Instagram, and with my friend who's doing the giveaway with me, go to her YouTube, Make Me Up 89, and also subscribe to her channel, and you can enter her giveaway as well. And then all you have to do is comment down below saying I love something. So you can write like whatever you love, and all of you guys will be entered. I will do this internationally, and I will leave it open for 1 week only. So because it's the end of the year, I want to send it off as soon as January hits. So good luck, guys. I hope all of you guys do try this remedy out. It really works like magic, at least for me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.